Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary is one of India's treasure tiger reserves. It is located in Chikmagaluru district in Karnataka. If you want to explore and enjoy the flora and fauna of this place, then you need to spend a day in the Riverton Lodge, which is a part of Jungle Lodge and Resort. The Riverton Lodge is around 280 kilometers from Bangalore. The lodge is located on a hillock and is surrounded by the thick jungle on one side and Bhadra Reservoir on the other. It's a 5-hour drive from Bangalore. We reached here around 12 in the afternoon. The Riverton Resort offers two types of packages, Osprey Package and Riverton Package. Osprey Package rooms are on the mainland near the dining area. It will be convenient if you are travelling with children or parents. Riverton Package rooms are across the hanging bridge, which will demand a long walk. We choose the Riverton Package. The cottages are beautiful, clean, and have a balcony overlooking the reservoir. We then headed for lunch to the dining area. Food is good and you can find both veg and non-veg options. Post lunch, we took some rest. At 3:30 in the afternoon, we went for Jeep Safari. The lush green beauty of the jungle mesmerized us. You can spot animals like sambar deer, elephants, spotted deer, monitor lizard, barking deer, Indian gaur, and varieties of birds. Even if you don't spot any animal, the aura of the jungle will give you a pleasant feeling. If you are lucky enough, you can spot tiger or leopard. We did spot a leopard near a small water body, but just for a few seconds, so we were unable to capture it. We almost spent 3 hours in the jungle. It was 8:30 at night. We came down to Golghar to have our dinner. As we were very tired, so we went to sleep to wake up early in the morning for the boat safari. The next morning at 6:30, we went for boat safari. We witnessed beautiful sunrise with calm water and thick forest all around. We watched peacocks, riverton, cormorants, eagles, cranes, kingfishers, herons, and various other birds. During summer, the level of water goes down and you have a great chance to spot more animals and birds. The tranquility of this place provides some kind of inner peace to your mind and soul. View of the lodge from the water was fascinating. After 2 hours, we came back from the boat safari and had our breakfast. You can then go for kayaking or swimming as the resort provides these activities within the package, but we decided to skip it. Thereafter at 11, we checked out from the resort. Being a nature lover, living amidst of jungle gave us a relieving break from the hustle of the city. This reminds me of the lines, "Everything in nature invites us constantly to be what we are." Please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel.